Yeah, now let us look at this exponential equation. Here we have x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 6 equals 16, and we are told to find the value of what? X. Now, first of all, what I want us to do here is, let us raise this, both the left hand side and the right hand side, to the power of what? 6. And the reason why I'm raising to the power of 6, I want to have an exponent in this pattern. Maybe a raised to the power of m, or raised to the power into what? A raised to the power of what? M. Okay? Alright. Now, since this is 6, and again, since we know that a raised to the power of m raised to the power of n can also be a raised to the power of n or raised to the power of what? M. Okay, let us just maintain this truth. Now, this is our goal for the left hand side. Alright, so here we have x raised to the power of x raised to the power of 6 or raised to the power of what? 6 equals 16 raised to the power of what? 6. Okay, now, which implies that a here, x here, it's the same thing as our a. Then x raised to the power of 6, same thing as m, and 6 here, same thing as what? N, which means we can swap it. Okay, now by interchanging it, 6 come over here, we have x raised to the power of 6 or raised to the power of what? X raised to the power of what? 6. Okay, so we've applied this rule here, then equals 16 raised to the power of what? Now that we've settled this at the left hand side, now let us see how we can also simplify 16 raised to the power of 6 to have the same pattern as the left hand side. Okay, now let me now reduce 16 to a base of 2. Okay, right, so that will be 2 raised to the power of 4, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 4 times 4 will give us what? 16. Now all raised to the power of what? 6. Now take note that the left hand side is stand. Okay, so to this end, we can now see this is x raised to the power of 6 or raised to the power of x raised to the power of 6, then equals 2. Now, since in this case we can also have this rule to becoming a equals what? mn. Okay, where the exponent multiplies. Now, applying this rule, we now have what? 24. Okay, now since you have 24, is there a way? Okay, now let us 24, you have 24 can be simplified to 3 times 8. Okay, now by doing that, we have x to the power of 6 into what? X to the power of 6 equals 2 raised to the power of 3 times 8. Okay, now looking at this, okay, we can actually separate this to becoming 2 raised to the power, let me write it here so that you get to see very well. 2 raised to the power of 3 times 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 3 or raised to the power of what? 8, right? And 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us what? 8 raised to the power of 8. So we can end up coming saying that 6 x raised to the power of 6 or the power of x raised to the power of 6 equals what? 8 raised to the power of 8. Now we can see that we've achieved now the same pattern. Now to this end, we can actually equate both the base and the exponent. So here we have that x raised to the power of 6 then equals what? 8. Now in this case, what we all need to do here now, since x is having a power of 6, let us find the 6th root of both sides. So finding the 6th root of both sides, now since this is even, you have what? Plus or minus the 6th root of 8. So the 6th root here, we actually cancel out the 6, which is the exponent. We're now left with what? X equals plus or minus the 6th root of what? 8. Do you know we can actually simplify this? Recall that if we have the nth root of x is the same thing as saying x raised to the power of 1 over what? N. Now applying that here, we have that x equals plus or minus 8 raised to the power of what? 1 over what? 6. Now what if we reduce this 8 to a base of 2? We have x equals what? Plus or minus 2 raised to the power of what? 3, or raised to the power of 1 over what? 6. Okay, and according to this rule here, we can actually multiply the exponent. That will be 3 times 1 over 6, which will give us 3 here 1, 3 here 2, 1 over what? 2. So here we have that x equals to plus or minus 2 raised to the power of 1 over what? 2, which gives us x equals to what? Plus or minus the square root of what? 2. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.